Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see 10 lines on my favorite book. I will read these lines one by one. Let's start. Number 1. Reading books are my favorite hobby. Number 2. I am very fond of reading novels and storybooks. Number 3. My favorite book is Panchatantra. Number 4. It is written by Vishnu Sharma. Number 5. My uncle gifted me this book on my birthday. Number 6. I was very happy after reading this book for the first time. Number 7. It has many stories with pictures. Number 8. Each story gives us a moral teaching at the end. Number 9. One of my favorite stories from Panchatantra is The Monkey and the Crocodile. Last one is, this story teaches us to choose friends wisely and presence of mind. That's all for today. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching.